Alright guys, AirGun Man here in the booth with none other than legendary hunter Jim Shockey. Now Jim Shockey is also on the Crossman Pro staff with his daughter Eva, and Eva has actually come out to California taking a turkey. Now Jim, what we're asking all the professional hunters is, what do you think about AirGun turkey hunting, and should it be legal nationwide?
100%, absolutely. I'm a huge fan of the AirGuns. Crossman makes products that are entirely capable of taking a turkey. I mean, they'll take a deer, they'll take an elk. I suspect I can even take the cape off this one. So turkey, of course, just make it more challenging.
Hey, yeah, there you go, guys. I mean, legendary hunter Jim Shockey, and he thinks turkey hunting should be legal everywhere that bow hunting turkeys are, right?
Absolutely.
There you go, guys. All right, thanks, Jim.
Let's talk here.
Alright guys, AirGun Man back in the Crossman booth at the 2017 SHOT Show. We got fellow Crossman Benjamin Pro staffer Fred Eichler, one of the most famous hunters in the world. Love his show. Been watching you guys for years, Fred. So Fred, we're asking all the celebrity hunters, you know, my thing is AirGun turkey hunting. So how do you feel about AirGun turkey hunting, and should that be legal everywhere that bow hunting turkeys is legal?
I think it'd be awesome. I think as many options that we can give hunters to get them in the field, you know, enjoying our sport, from the youth all the way up.
Yeah,
I think it's super
women,
important.
youth for air guns.
You got it. And especially with the turkey, you know, with the air rifles available today, you know what I mean, like the Marauder, like the Bulldog. When you can step up to a 25 caliber, 357 caliber, I mean, literally, these are effective weapons to use on all kinds of games.
Oh man, I saw that hog that you took in Texas that's on YouTube, and where you got the pass through with the Bulldog. That was amazing. So, I mean, you know, the first thing that I think hardcore shotgun guys think about when you say AirGun turkey is they think you're going to wound one. But with today's air guns, it's like you said, these things are so precise and accurate that there's actually less chance of wounding one than there is with your bow.
Yeah, they're awesome. It is a feasible weapon. And I think really, no matter what weapon you're using, it's up to how accurate the shooter is. You know what I mean? You need to be proficient no matter what you're shooting, whether it's a muzzleloader, a handgun, you know what I mean, rifle, pistol, air rifle, whatever that is. But I do think that we should open more seasons and more opportunities for everybody. I think that's really what it's all about. And you know, with the cost and the less expensive air rifles and the accuracy and the caliber options,
Cost of the ammo.
exactly. I'd love to see more seasons open.
There you go, guys. Fred Eichler, one of the most famous hunters in the world, and he also says AirGun turkey hunting should be legal in every state.
Let's do it.
Thanks, Fred.
Good seeing you, man.
All right, guys, it's AirGun Man back here at the 2017 SHOT Show, and we got one of my favorite all-time hunters, Ralph Cianciarulo, man. I mean, he's in the house. So, Ralph, I know I've been watching your show for decades.
Yeah, we won't say how long.
Yeah, we won't tell you that. So anyway, we're asking all the celebrity hunters, you know, what we do is AirGun turkey hunt. We're trying to create more awareness, and I know you guys do the air guns. What do you think about AirGun turkey hunting, and should it be legal everywhere?
I mean, here's the crazy thing. Today, the technology has gone so far that why not? Really, why not?
Yeah,
we're talking about
so accurate.
one shot being super accurate, putting a bird down like that, we know is not going to be an issue. It's a no-brainer.
There you go, guys. I mean, another celebrity hunter, long-time hunter, says AirGun turkey hunting should be legal nationwide.
Let's do it.
Everywhere bows are, right? There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Thanks, Ralph.
All right, brother.
Appreciate it. Oh. All right, guys, here we are at SHOT Show. We got probably one of the most premier turkey hunters in the world. Definitely one of my favorites. I've been following forever. We got Michael Waddell. Now, Michael, I know that the Bone Collector boys have been out to California to hunt turkeys with the Gamo. We're really just we're pushing AirGun turkey hunting nationwide now through Crossman. And we're asking all the celebrity hunters, so what do you think about AirGun turkey hunting? Should it be legal nationwide?
I personally think it should. I mean, I think if you look at everything you can hunt a turkey with now, and you look at the technical aspects and the performance value of what these air guns are producing right now, I don't know how you can say really no to it. I mean, so take an arrow, you can bow hunt a turkey, and obviously when you look at what you can do with air rifles and the precision of them, so a headshot on a turkey with an air gun is very doable and offers a different challenge, and so I absolutely think, yeah, I'm all for it.
And you think it would, open up turkey hunting a little more for kids and women and stuff like that?
Well, you know, definitely it could. I think the possibilities of that, but I think the biggest thing is, as sports outdoorsmen, especially with the technology that you see that's implemented, I'm all for it, being ethical and hunting with things that make basics that obviously provide a good humane kill. But I think so many times the industry can get so hung up in their own ethics of what they think you should shoot. And so I think you got to be careful with situational ethics, especially when you look, well, you can do this, so you can take a recurve. Me, I'm a compound bow shooter, and I shoot decent with a compound, but I'm really not that good at shooting a recurve. But technically, without any practice, I could all of a sudden just pull up and grab a longbow and shoot at a turkey. God knows where I'd hit it. And so when you look at it, what you'll find if you are looking for somebody that's going to hunt with an air gun, chances are he's looking for a challenge. Maybe he does have a daughter or wife that doesn't want to experience any recoil. So I don't know where you can draw the line, and I think we have to leave ethics to the hunters.
Well, and it's, you know, it's really cool that you mentioned that, because one of the things I've found in 20 years of bow hunting turkeys and now 7 years of air gun only, I wounded one every year with my bow. I have yet to wound one with the air gun.
Right.
It's either a clean hit or a clean miss, and that's what I love the most about it. And I think that's what the industry is missing out on, because right now when people think air gun turkey, they think, oh, you're going to wound it, right? And actually, I found it to be the exact opposite.
Yeah, I think you're right, and that does bring up a point. I mean, even for me, and I know I'll make people mad, but I think riding an air gun, especially if you get them in that right range, precision these guns are shooting now, it can be even more ethical than actually bow hunting. Because one of the reasons I don't even bow hunt turkeys a lot, even though it is ethical, even though it is legal, is the fact that you do have a lot of turkeys get away. The turkey don't have the shock value that some of the big game animals do, and so if you don't absolutely smoke them down, they'll get away from it. They can fly off, they can run off, they'll hide and rush, and you won't find them. With an air gun, I definitely, you know, you're going to be shooting for that head, neck area, and so you can just torch them down right there. And so when you hit that head with the ammunition you got, you're going to find some expansion, and chances are you can kill them right there, done, lights out. Versus, and then if you do pull off, you miss it, you miss.
There you go, guys. That's what I've been saying for years. Airgun turkey hunting. You heard it from Michael Waddell, probably the most famous turkey hunter in the world, guys.
I love it.
Thanks, Michael. We appreciate it. We want you to come out to California and do some airgun turkey hunting.
I'd love to.
All right, guys.
Appreciate it.
Hey, okay. All right, guys, it's AirGun Man back here in the Real Tree Life booth, and check it out. We got Travis T-Bone Turner, one of the bone collector boys. Now, he's actually been out to California with the air gun, the Gammo air gun.
That's right. Yep.
Where they went after turkeys. And T-Bone, we're just kind of asking all the celebrity hunters, what do you think about airgun turkey hunting, and should it be legal nationwide?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, the air guns today, with all the innovations and everything, I think absolutely they're way more than powerful enough, you know, and you're trying to shoot them in the head anyway, so I think it should be legal. You know, in California, we had to use the PBA. We couldn't use anything that was lead, you know, of course. So
well, no, that's not true. In California, you can use leaded pellets, and even in the California Condor Zone, you can still use a leaded pellet. Now, they prefer that you use non-lead, but even in the Condor Zone, at this point, the air guns are not regulated. Now, in the future, we'll probably see it, because in 2019, all of California is going lead-free. You would not be able to use any leaded ammo in California. Air guns, the whole thing is still up in the air, but that's interesting when you guys went with the PBA ammo.
Yeah, we did go with that PBA ammo because the guys with Gammo and then the folks we were hunting on the Tejon Ranch, they had said that you can't use lead out there because of the condor thing. So, you know, naturally, we'd rather be safe than sorry, so that's what we did. So,
well, you're probably going to see some regulation on that coming out.
But yeah, to answer your question, absolutely, I think it should be legal. If it's legal to shoot a wrist rocket at them, we're all for it. So we want folks outdoors, we want folks celebrating outdoors, and by all means, air guns are a way of the future, and all the innovations that are going on in all the brands, not just the Gammo, but we want to see more seasons for them and allow them to get out there. And I love in California shooting all those ground squirrels. You're infested with them out there.
Oh man, I just posted up a video with 65 kills on it. Wow. So check it out on my AirGun channel.
I will.
All right, guys, one of my favorite, Travis T-Bone Turner. We appreciate it, and we'll talk to you guys later.
See you guys.
All right, guys, we're in the Realtree Life booth, right?
Yep,
And we've
yep.
got Nick Mundt from the Bone Collectors, and you know Nick and T-Bone have been out to California to hunt with their air guns for turkeys. So we're asking, like, what do you guys feel about airgun turkey hunting? One of the things I'm working with Crossman, trying to get that airgun turkey hunting legalized nationwide. What do you think about airgun turkey hunting? Should it be legal nationwide?
Yeah, I think so. I mean, I think if you can, put your skills together enough to get close enough to kill one and use an air gun, I think it should be legal. I mean, you can shoot a lot of animals with an air gun, and I've shot, and so I know what an air gun can actually do. And so I just think it should be. You should be able to shoot a turkey with an air gun for sure.
There you go, guys. Nick Mundt, one of the foremost hunting guys in the world, on the cutting edge. Air guns should be legal for turkeys.
That's right.
Hey guys, it's AirGun Man back here at the 2017 SHOT Show. Look who we found in the Mossy Oak booth, none other than Ronnie Cuz Strickland. Now Ronnie Cuz, we're asking everybody, what do you think about airgun turkey hunting being legalized nationwide?
Hey, look, I don't follow the legal issues too much. Here's my thought on hunting in general. If you buy a license and you go by the rules, you're on my team. That's all I
All right. Now it is legal in California, so if you ever want to take a turkey with an air gun, we're inviting you out. But right now it's only legal in 3 states. Now what we're doing at Crossman is we're trying to expand those opportunities. So, people that don't want the loud noise can go, kids can go, so.
It's all good.
Yeah, hey,
I'm a fan of that.
as long as it's legal, let's get it legal in your state, guys. Ronnie Cuz Strickland from Mossy Oak says it's okay to go with your air gun.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it.
And we know that you're a huge turkey hunter.
I am a big
We love it, guys. Thank you.
Hey guys, we got the Drury brothers.
Hey.
Now I know you guys are big turkey hunters, and what I do is air gun hunt turkeys, and we're asking all the celebrity hunters, what do you guys think about air gun turkey hunting, possibly getting that legalized nationwide?
I've done that.
I don't have any experience with it, but if it'd kill a turkey, I'd say it'd be a pretty good deal.
Why not? Yeah.
Well, right now it's only legal in 3 states, California, Maryland, Michigan, and 4 Virginia. So I'm working with Crossman to try to expand on those opportunities, because I believe that would help kids, women, they don't want to bang and all that. And it's a real challenging form of air gun hunting, but we're just kind of asking, and as much as I respect y'all's turkey hunting, I was just kind of wondering, what do you guys think about it,
Sure, I mean, if it's legal and it gets more youth involved, why not?
Absolutely. Why not?
All right, there you go, guys. Some of the legends, icons of the industry, the Drury brothers. Thanks a lot, guys. We really love y'all's show.
Good luck with that.
We've been followers. We've been following you guys for years.
Thank you.
All right.
Keep us posted on that. Thank you.
Hey, look what we got over here. Tim Wells.
What's up, boss?
Check it out, guys. We got Tim Wells, probably the most famous bow hunter in the world. We love your show.
Thank you.
And what I do is I work with Crossman. I air gun hunt turkeys.
Okay.
So we're asking all the guys,
Shotgun, air gun.
what do you think
or,
about
single?
air gun? Well, what do you think about air gun hunting for turkeys? What do you think about that?
Hey man, I'm for anything. Let's try it. Head shoot them.
Right.
Now with your air gun, are you talking a big caliber or a small caliber?
Oh well, it's 177 all the way up to. I shot one this year with my 357 Bulldog.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got Lee and Tiffany here at the SHOT Show. And you guys know I'm all about airgun turkey hunting. We're asking everybody, what do you guys think about airgun turkey hunting being legalized nationwide?
I didn't know that it wasn't.
We're trying to. That's one of our goals at Crossman, and I know you guys are shooting air guns, right?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
You guys are Gammo sponsored, or?
No, it's. I'm not sure if it's a sponsor now anymore.
Yeah, no, it's
Oh, okay.
But we have a bunch. We have a bunch of different
We
ones.
shoot lots of cruises.
Have you guys ever been airgun turkey hunting?
No.
No.
Well, we're working on trying to get it legalized nationwide, and we're just kind of asking everybody, what do they think about that?
I mean, I don't know. I didn't realize that it wasn't. I mean, that would be like a perfect one to.
Right now, it's only legal in California, Virginia, and Maryland. Actually, that's it.
Really?
We learn something new every day.
Yeah.
3 states. So I don't know. We just think it would be really cool to legalize nationwide, so kids could turkey hunt, and people that don't want to have the big loud noise, or maybe you don't want to go with your bow.
Right. Same thing.
All right, guys.
I didn't realize that it wasn't. It definitely should be.
See, there you go, guys. Should be legal nationwide. Straight from Lee and Tiffany.
Straight from Lee Lakosky. If he says it, then it's on.
Check it out, guys. We got Just Junie. And Junie, we love your new show. Keep up the good work.
very much.
So check it out, guys. We're in the booth with Pigman. We're asking all the celebrity hunters, what do you think about airgun turkey hunting, and should it be legal nationwide?
Well, I've been killing them with toothpicks for years, but you know, since the advert of the new high-powered air rifles, it's you can kill a pig with one too, man.
There you go, guys.
Boom.
Yeah, exactly.
The Pigman says it should be legal, guys.
It should be.
Okay, guys, we got Rossi here in
What's
the
up?
Umrex booth. Rossi, we're asking everybody, you know, you've been airgun turkey hunting. What do you think about airgun turkey hunting being legalized nationwide?
Airgun turkey hunting should be legalized nationwide 100% for multiple reasons. I will tell you this. The main reason is if you're going to go hunt a turkey, you should only get one shot at it. You shouldn't get to shoot 150 pellets at it. You know what I mean? Shooting a turkey with a shotgun doesn't make any sense to me. So if you have an air gun, they've got plenty of power, they've got everything you need, they got the velocity, they got the knockdown, they got the killing power to do it humanely, and also make it more challenging for the hunter, which it should be. It takes you a long time to call those turkeys in, so the pressure to put that little pellet right in his ear, you've all seen I missed doing it, but came back hard and got me one, and it was delicious. And it makes it more fun. And shooting a turkey, I've gone turkey hunting with a shotgun. I don't know, not much sport in that. Airgun turkey hunting, everyone's got a fair chance. So.
All right, guys, you heard it from Rossi here.
That's what I think.
SHOT Show 2017. Thanks, Rossi. All right, guys, we're in the Crossman booth, and look what we got. Famous big bore airgun hunter, Jim Chapman. And you guys saw the video. Jim came out to California. Oh man, he took a couple of really nice birds. I mean, a big, huge tom, and opened my eyes to, you know, just how effective these body shots can be on turkeys. But Jim, today what we're doing is we're kind of asking, you know, putting together a video asking all the professional hunters, what do you think about airgun turkey hunting, and should that be legal nationwide?
Yeah, I'll tell you what I think. First, I answered a couple different ways. I think that turkey's the perfect game for air guns. You know, it used to be, for me it was guinea fowl in Africa, but turkey is just the perfect game. It's challenging. It's on just every respect. Closing into turkeys, you know what that's like. It's
oh yeah, it's close up.
Here's the thing, though. I mean, to be honest about the difficulties we face. A lot of states don't allow you to shoot turkeys with a rifle, only shotgun. The states that allow you to take them with a rifle also were the first ones to allow you to start taking them with an air gun. So we may have to approach it going, you know, where it's easy to piggyback on laws that already exist. But I think a lot of states are seeing the experience of those states that do allow it, and they're starting to sit back and think about it. Because right now, it's California. You're in the turkey country. That's the center of the turkey world in the U.S.
That's crazy. There's only 3 states right now.
Maryland, but only in the fall.
Yeah.
Virginia.
And you know, my dream is to have it nationwide, so I can go to other states and actually, you know, go hunting with my air gun. And I was talking to the National Wild Turkey Federation, you know, yesterday, and they're actually interested in the whole concept. So, I mean,
I travel to California every year since we went. I go out to California every spring and every fall. I'll travel there for the turkey.
So there you go, guys. One of the most famous air gun hunters in the world, and he says air gun turkey hunting should be legal everywhere, guys.
Fast.
All right, guys, here we are in the Arcus booth, and look what we found. We found Chip Hunnicutt, former marketing manager for Crossman. And, you know, we love Chip, and it's good to see you still in the industry. Chip, we're asking everybody today, what we're asking them is, what do you think about airgun turkey hunting being legalized nationwide?
Look, you can hunt them with a bow, you can hunt them close range with a shotgun. Air bows and air guns just take it to a whole different level. It's the same challenge, you still have to be accurate. And really the thing that's going to convince these wildlife officers is getting them out in the field to shoot them. So if you're shooting the air bow, best the broadhead to use while you're out there is ramcat. And don't forget to soak yourself down with some dead downwind so they don't smell you while you're out in the woods.
That's right, guys. Check this out. Chip is the new marketing guy for Dead Downwind, Ramcat broadheads, and Tinks. And look what we got we got Mr. Tink himself.
How you doing? SHOT Show 2017.
All right. All right, guys, it's the AirGun Man here. It's 2017 SHOT Show. We're in the Mossy Oak booth. We got Jason Douglas, who's done some airgun turkey hunting with us. Jason, what do you think about airgun turkey hunting being legalized nationwide?
Oh, I think legalized airgun turkey hunting should be legalized nationwide. just for the simple standpoint, it gives everybody an opportunity to enjoy the outdoors and enjoy turkey hunting. Those that may not want to do your traditional air gun or your traditional shotgun hunting have another opportunity. I actually enjoyed a good hunt with Glenn here a couple of years ago, and it just opened my eyes to a whole new world of turkey hunting. I'm an air gun turkey hunting enthusiast now. So I got to make a trip.
Once you go air gun, you never go back.
Yes, we got to plan another trip coming up.
Oh yeah, we're going to get Jason out now. Now Jason is working here at Mossy Oak and for Toxie. How's that working out?
Oh, it's great brand, great company. Just a great 30 years in the industry and something just to be a part of now.
Check this out, guys. We're in the Mossy Oak booth right now. We appreciate Jason having us out. Thanks, Jason.
Anytime.
All right, buddy. All right, guys, it's Airgun Man, and here we are in the Sacramento Sportsman's Expo 2017, and we're at the Fins and Feathers booth with UFC fighter Chad Mendes. And Chad went turkey hunting with me last year. He's definitely seen some of the Airgun videos. Chad, we're asking all the celebrity hunters, what do you think about Airgun turkey hunting, and should it be legal everywhere that bow hunting turkeys is?
Man, I think it's pretty cool. I've always grown up, shotgun and even archery hunting turkeys, but I think one of the greatest things about, a pellet gun is you're aiming for the head. It's either a for sure kill or you miss them. So
there you go. There you go, guys.
So it's not a lot of wounding animals. It's like I said, it's either a for sure thing or swing and a miss. So I actually like it. I'm excited to get out and try something like that this year. And
we're gonna put Chad on one.
Yeah, I'm excited.
Hopefully with that Nitro Piston 2, we'll be able to drop one, or maybe the Marauders, or any of the Crossman guns. But all right, Chad, we appreciate you coming out. Check out the Fins and Feathers booth, guys. And finsandfeathers.com, right, Chad?
Finsandfeathers.com. You guys, we have a website. We just launched our 2017 schedule, so you guys can check it out.
All right, there you go, guys. Guys, check it out. We got Smith & Wesson. We got Winchester. We got Mossberger, Rossi. Look at all the people. Nuts. Check this out, guys. Got some Crossman booth right here. Airbow.
Just like that, and it's just like, I think they are so unaccustomed to that happening, they don't know. And then also there's, elk are herd animals, so what I've noticed, so if I'm in the middle of an elk herd, there's cows, calves, big bull,
NWTF, Turkey Town.